Hey, yeah, man, you see? Yeah, welcome, my people. This BM Africa, typical village boy, born and raised in Kenya. Okay, like I told you today, we are just trying to fabricate a window for the first time back to my whole workshop. Like you see, we're trying to fabricate this. This is how our window look like, and you also see the tree or the right tree is there with our mask weaver bats. My new room for MS plate, like you see, this is our new room. Yeah, the room is 5 by 8 feet square feet, and we also have this is our tree. I don't want anybody to cut this tree. I want it to remain just like this. Yeah, like you see there. And the reason I'm telling you this, we want to fabricate this our new is trying to cut the metal. This for binding the place where you can put glass on the other side, so it's trying to bind it. Yeah, you are just trying to have hack welding here in our village. You see, we have already named the name of the workshop, like you see. Yes, you see. Wow, we trust welders. We feel and trust in God, like you see. So we're trying to fabricate it a little. Yeah, my dream is that I'm gonna get some guys here so that I can train them to how to weld. My dream is to have a big school, hack welding school. I think welding school. But for now, I'm just trying this. I've already named the name of the workshop. It's Filters Fabricators, and this is your boy BM Africa, typical village boy. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and also share. And that's the only way you can support the village boy. Hold my hand by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hey, so the welder is trying to weld. Wow, you see? Trying to weld this. This is a window. The window size is 36 inches by 48 inches. Yeah. Wow, just see. And this is a tape measure. This is a tape measure. We also have a tri-square. The tri-square is there. Oh, the size of the metal is 50 by 25 mm. 50 by 25 millimeters heavy gauge, which is 16 gauge heavy. Of course. If you can see the holder for welding is just a local one fabricated here in the village, because we don't have the enough time to go to the city of Nairobi to buy a hack welding holder. So we fabricated this one. This is a pipe, and this raw bolt. Okay, so it is, and this black tape. Yeah, Okay, there's a tri-square for checking 90 degrees. You see, like that. Wow. Blessing. Okay.